Hello, in this video I want to show you how to sign in a Google account in Hanseatic Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the settings button in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down to accounts and sign in, click on OK. Then you'll be able to sign in. Enter your email address afterwards, click on next and enter your password. When the password and email address is correct, you'll be able to log into your Google account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.